Lei khyang athor Ringphawon kap da achuwi khamataya pauping Manipur with Governor La Ganesen Ukhrul District li Kakhrei sada aya nungpi kholen li walaga gazip akhaliwa sanghaira Ukhrul District li Cabinet Bird Khami Wiwang Tangkhul Nagalong na Chief Minister Biren Singh li maya khangai phongshok haira Jawahar Novodia Vidyalaya li Class 6 admission quickby JNV selection test sau kida leidalei kala chuwi admit card la mi shok phok haira Achu the Tangkhul Express Wipau Ringphawon Zimik iwe aina nganang romsa Manipur with Governor La Ganesen Ukhrul District li Kakhrei sada aya nungpi kholen li walaga kachip akhali wazang haira Governor Lee Ngusoda Secretary to Governor Bobby Wycombe, ADC to Governor H. Johnny Sharma, RMO to Governor Dr. S.H. Amrita Singh, Raj Bhavan with Controller and Nilimani Kala Awimi Hang Pangada Matika the Numpi Kholen Divazanga. Numpi Kholen Kala Ring and I Kuungwi, Richum Now Ping Kala, DLO Spingla, Governor La Ganesen Lumlau Lak, Aina Ngurokwida, Governor Jina. Richum now being li Karajan Kasala Sampanga. La Ganesen Nakahang Afspa he disturbed areas upon Paichao the way Aina Kushok Pai Kawai, law and order, situation restore Kasa Darga Salak Aina Ladale. Governor Yaukaka Chili Ukhrul District with Richum now being the Maram Natay the way memorandum la Misanga, Maram Pingchi concerned authority li Hang Mira Kachi Ganesen Hanga. Kala Ukhrul District Raisang Kawai Kasali Richum now being the Kagatom Milo Kachihi Governor Chinapoya. Aadhaar card kasem welfare scheme wiwang bank account kusho COVID vaccination kakap kala national security wiwang border fencing kasa hikatathawi kan khana maram lila governor chinahanga ayen na makhamaya audio kala muphungjat khangasak od thari makanda phunggajat lekapa kachi hangda security issues wiwang sarkar na border fencing od ngurut khuigakali yarina katomilo kuchihi governor Ganesen hanga Ukhrul with Deputy Commissioner IAS Krishna Kumar welcome address Khamili Kahang Manipur with Governor La Ganesen Hithada Yaukaka Hina Sarkar Aina Ukhrul District with Richum Now Ping we alumni Ngajip Khamai Khamashik Khwiramira Kalachina Rakhara Atamni Sustainable Development Khwiramira Kachihi Hanga Manipur with Kaphung Bom we Aina Armed Forces Special Power Act Kuishok mi haulo kachipo the Governor Ayakaka Chili Tangkhul Frontal Organization Memorandum mi Sanghaira. Kala Northeast Apamli Hindi Tampalungra Kachila Kuishok mi Kawai Po Haira. Ukhrul Aina Jasami Wishongfu Matasang Sakawai Ukhruli Leiran Imphali Shichinda Kalemi Ping Ukhruli Od Sang Sakawai Kupungwak with educational institutions Matasang Kawai banking facilities Matakamai Hikatatawi Maram Governor Li Hanghaira. Governor Kakachili Numpi Kholenwi Ramnao Pingna Haula Paichak Lala Sajitaya. Kala Numpi Kholenwi Ham Kasema Pingnala Atumi Pangtem Chiteda Paulak Kahai Numpi Hamla Chitemia. Gazib Chili Ramnao Ping Aina Ayar Aina Miping Tainer Tingnera Ngakunda Ramnao Ping China Wihawa Chiwi Saman Raj Bhavana Ngaranmia. Ukhrul District li Cabinet Bird Khami Wiwang Tangkhul Nagalong na Chief Minister Biren Singh li maya khangai phongshok haira itumna phaning ungpai achagachang Tangkhul Nagalong na thanda Ukhrul District wi Longnau ping na itumi MLA akhali cabinet pam khami laklo kuchihi pokahai leya chingai AC MLA khushum washum li cabinet ngapham mida otpam tungashidla achahon khui haira Chief Minister Biren a positive response Khami Wiwang Maya Khangai Ringapha Phongkashok Maram Aya Tangkhul Nagalong na Kapi Kashok na Jaina Ngasoda Manipur PHED with Chief Engineer in Charge Sakhawai Shangrei Phau Washumli Kapang Sanghaira the Chuwiwang la Chief Minister li Tangkhul Nagalong na Ningkashimiya Jawahar Novodia Vidyalaya li Class 6 admission quickby JNV selection test sau gida leidale kala chuwi admit card la mishok phokhaira JNV selection test thakida khaliping na admit card Ukhrul Dadio we office maninga kha JNV Ramver principal we office li wakhui paira admit card ji office hours atamli mishok dalai Officially, mawangaya kho ichichana website novadia.gov.in wi aina khuipaira maram hi kup mai thei khwai Dhanashyam Single 8118942325 ling hanwa paira maninga kho Phubendra Gumarli 9528782192 ling hanwa paira JNV selection test ji rakhra tarik thumra thang saki kuchina Bhabina Specialty Hospital Khaboy Soili Gazang American Oncology Institute na blood bank akashomi haira blood bank chiwe aming shampat aina blood center homana Kalachi Babina Groups of Companies we Managing Director Dr. Thangjam Thabalina Tharkat Kamida Gahang Manipuri Rims Jenims Kala Shija Hospital Janglaga Babina we China Blood Bank Chikatha Committee Saya Blood Center chi Matailak aina Babina Ligazang American Oncology Institute li cancer ka gaza khangha naw pingna kan khanali shichin khawai sho khamina da thabali na hanga Institute chili khangha naw ping wiwang reader rims jenims kala shija hospital with blood bank aina ashi khui ka saji procedure sangna janghau da komai khawai ka sana da hanga American Oncology Institute wiwang shock high blood center chuwi aina mi psycho medical institute kataina la service charge tiomai kha shan laga ashi darga saje khuipaya da Babina Groups we managing director china hanga Thobal District Family Court le regular judge Haimi Khawai Thobal District Bar Association DDBA we member pingna pohaira Kalachi Chief Judicial Magistrate Singum Phangaka da Pamhailala transfer Mamirang Chiwang member Pingchina Maringapha Pongshoka Family Court le regular judge Malay to the Maram Rakataji in charge district aina session judge li Mikakaji da DDBA we Mi Pingchina Hanga Thobal we family court chi peripheral court sada chiwe azingli Thobal aina kakching khanini changda khlaina corona mi mau mahau pograng lakhala DDBA na maram chi concerned authorities li hangda memorandums la misangkap haira kha ari aina tangda sarkar na khiot kha masami thura da hanga DDBA na poda khlai hi mangana sangmya kha member pingna all Manipur Bar Association ni ngasan laga protest kasa court boycott kasa chingri ka hai apong aina agitations ngatai de da hapok hawra da hangmathin haira Thochan li kharai sa da Indonaga chan ngazek NSCN-IM headquarters Nagaland le Khwika Lapai da leya chan ngazek chadda khlai li India we interlocutor sada khlaya AK Mishra na hapta akhawiwang Nagaland le ungchang da lai AK Mishra na NSCN-IM General Secretary Thwingaleng Muiwali Kem Hebron le samphang mangra da pau samphanga AK Mishra na Naga National Political Groups we Working Committee kala Naga Political Issue wiwang Sem ka hai Nagaland Sarkar we Core Committee pinglila samphangra da pau china hanga Northeastern States pingli TB mocked Bharat campaign kajatle Manipur na matha makeup kachi state nga sahaira TB mocked Bharat campaign hi Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers ABHWCS we azingli Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na makhok khamina campaign ji ajahon tarik thrada kuthum thang kupsanga TB khamkhui khawai campaign kachachili Manipur na matha makeup sahaira kachi hi ajahon ABHWCS we khamate anniversary khamayon ni kachishatna Anniversary Kamayon Rani ji online aina sada Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya Thanda Kazip Khuikaya Healthcare Service hi digital platform aina samkapang kala Delhi consultation lei khamiwi darka kasamaram Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya hangsanga Ladakh Scouts Regiment Center LSRC with 1st Battalion Kharesa the United Nations Peace Mission wiwang ABA Africa le Vahira LSRC Battalion China United Nations Interim Security Force ABA le Wazangki kuchi kasana ABA hi Sudan aina South Sudan matak Africa le khalaina Kakhane Sudanese Civil Right Tangkhawai the Comprehensive Peace Agreement Kukhwili 2004 ABA Protocol Special Administrative Status Haimi Kahaina Ladakh Scouts ping Wagazangle ABA le Wahairagasa Pakistan Battalion Wangrokhuya Jamnagar le World Health Organization Global Center for Traditional Medicine Hapokawai Aya Prime Minister Modi na Foundation Stone Shunmi Haira Rani Jili Mauritius with Prime Minister Bravin Kumar Jaknot Aina World Health Organization WHO with Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus Zanga India with traditional Ari Arahiva Gazat Kangha Mangle Kasing Maningla Itumi Karing Karagle Gazang Awar Ngasada Ayurveda He Kapanga Veda Sada Kakwina the Prime Minister Modi Nahang Singum Hangpanga Mamangle Ogutu Wikare Ayurveda University Jamnagarle Semgada China Ayurveda Tamguchitagala Ayurveda Wimaramle Research Kasawi Kamataya Worship Ngasaya the Prime Minister Nahang Ara Apamji WHO with Global Center Sada Wellness with Lui Ramli Jamnagar Kala India na G Kamay Global Matang Kakashung Apong Kwira Kaming Sara the Hanga Chiwang Modi na WHO with Director General Ningushila Pongshoka Jamnagarli Hopoki Kaji WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine Hina Ari Honwe Awar Shichinda Itumi Pomle Legasar Traditional Ari Arahi Katada Pakala La Katada Shichin Pai Mamai Kaji Pakashok Apam Ngasara the WHO Director General Jina Hanga Kala Hili Kutom Kamiwang Modi Aina India Shokali Ningshia the Dr. Tedros Nahanga German Development Agency Akana Manipur Aina Nagaland Shanao Entrepreneur Pingwi Networks Hapok Mihaira German Development Agency GIZ with Project Her and Now Hoda China 2018 Kum Aina India Le Shanao Nakatan Businesses Kwira Pai Mai Kawai Kala Shanao Pingna Katan Lila Paikar Kwipa Mai Kawai Ngachondale Manipur Network Chiwi founding member Elizabeth Yambem Nakahang Atumna Ngaziblak Kahai Community Semda State with Shanao Entrepreneurs Psychorana Kankana Resources Mikawai Apong Kwiramika Kachina Her and Now Chi Tritili Ngashikda India we Tier 2 Aina Tier 3 cities Pingli Kalai Entrepreneurs Pingli Ngachon Midale Nagaland Liver GIZ Her and Now 3T Kala State Chokarwe Entities Investment and Development Authority of Nagaland Kala Startup Nagaland Hikatatahi Ngashikuida Women Entrepreneur Network Nagaland Hi Semhaira Northeast India Le Entrepreneurship Ecosystem Matamai Ngasagda Shanao Entrepreneur Pingla Manga Vamai Kawai Business Award Gatem Thay Tangkamai Credit Kwishokapai Market Linkages Kala Infrastructure Mentorship Hikatatahi Apam Akawi Aina Sampang Pai Kawai Network Sem Kamina the Hanga COVID-19 Kangasungli Changda Kle Healthcare Workers Pingwiwang Brathan Mantri Karib Kalyan Package Kami Atam Kasay Sang Mihaira PMGKP Insurance Scheme Chi Ayawi Aina Hopok the Zimik Show Shaka Hangchisha Tang Wiwang Kasay Sang Kamina COVID ka gaza ngahada khlai health workers pingwiwang phamaira da sarkarna muchukmi da scheme chiwe atam kasei sangkhamina da hang latluida ajui khamataya pawping Manipur with Governor La Ganison Ukhrul District li Kakharai sada aya nungpi kholen li walaga gazip akhali wa Ukhrul District li Cabinet Bird Khami Wiwang Tangkhul Nagalong na Chief Minister Biren Singh li Maya Khangai Phongshok Haira Jawahar Novodia Vidyalaya li Class 6 Admission Quickby JNV Selection Test Saukida Leidalay Kala Chiwi Admit Card la Mishok Phok Haira Aju pau henang chang hairo pau ngana da khlei na tum sai ko rele ringapha kala kham haya Zimik show ngsa serano